Okay, that's good. That's Gizmo. You say hi, Giz.
No.
What's hi? This is his place. It's like a pugante inside. There he is. How old are you, Giz?
23.
I believe he's 19 going to 20. It's time to get old.
I'm 20.
Come here, Giz, oh. Look. Hey. Gizmo, look at it. Oh, ayan na, Giz. I'm just gonna take picture. Gizmo.
No.
Ayan, oh. My God. Isa lang, oh. One. Oh, Giz, oh.
No.
My God. Ayan, ang kwarto ni Gizmo. Okay. Here's the house. That's my set of wine. Kitchen. This is towards the music room. Right there. Evie's Edgar computer room. This is my shooting place. Oh, right. Look at that. There's a boat over there. This is our barbecue place. There is the two. Oops. This is our yard. All the way. Ayan ang bahay namin. From this area, as the neighbor, ayan po ang scene ng Los Angeles. Ayan ang bahay namin. All the way there. Ayan ang position ng bahay. It's a bungalow type. Ayan ang Porsche ko. Ayan ang bahay namin. There you go. Toyota ko. There you go. Yan. Ayan ang Highlander. That's the car. Ayan ang sideways ng bahay na makikita nyo. The bungalow type. Basketballan. Ito ang neighbor. Yan, for sale yung bahay na yan. Ayan ang bahay na napakatahimik ho dito sa amin lugar, na ikaw ang susuko. Street cleaning. Ayan ang kotse ko for sale. I'm working on the yard. Ayan ang pinto namin. This is another room. Pwedeng paupahan. Balik na tayo. Ayan ang forma ng backyard namin na maliit. Pero basta malaki ang bahay. Wala kaming problema dyan. Dog house. The Steve Nash. Kami Steve Nash. That is Steve Nash. Ito po si John Denver. Hello John Denver. Ito naman ang backyard namin. Ayan po ang sayote. Ayan. Ang all the way there. Backyard namin yan. Marami na tayong haharvest yun. Talbos ng ampalaya. Ayan. Ang sayote. Ayan ang mga sili namin. Lalaki ng sayote yung bunga. Ito ang palaya. Ayan po ang side na bakod namin. The neighbor. Ayan. Ito ang mga kotse ko. Mga classic na kotse. Mac 1, Apple, Chinese dates. Ayan na po. Ayan ang sports car. Bayabas, Pamsi. Ayan ang yard namin. Ayan na namin dalawang aso. My God. Over there.